Alright, let's go over the utensils and the pots that we're going to need to do this. We're going to need a large pot here, and we're going to be cooking our potatoes in there. We're going to dice them up and put them in, and then to make them cook just a little bit faster, we're going to put this lid on top. We're going to have another saucepan. This is where we're going to heat our corn, and after we drain it, we're going to saute our garlic and our red pepper in here, and then add our butter and make our cumin butter to go with that. We're going to use this saute pan to slowly cook the steak, and once we've flipped it over to the other side, we're not going to cook it all the way through. We're going to finish it in the oven so that the blackening spices do not burn. We're going to use this bowl here. After we drain our potatoes, we're going to dump them in here, and we're going to mix them with our white wine vinegar, our garlic, our cayenne powder, and our Dijon mustard. We're going to use this strainer right here to drain both our potatoes and our corn. We're going to have this bowl to make our blackening spice. Use measuring cups, measuring spoons. We're going to use these two for the steak and this for the corn. We're going to use a knife to cut our veggies, a cutting board, and because we're dealing with meat, we're going to be using gloves.